The human civilization should be to raise the fourth class man to the first class man. That is human civilization. But there is no idea who is first class man. Everyone is a drunkard, everyone is illicit sex hunter, and everyone is gambler, and everyone is meat eater. Where is first class man? There is no first class man. All fourth class man. And they are being taught simply how to manufacture big skyscraper, and every year new model of car. Is that civilization? That is not civilization. You may be advanced in technology. So technology means technician. Suppose a man knows how to work in electricity, so many things. Does it mean he is a learned man? No. Learned first-class man, that is given in the Bhagavad Gita. Samo, damo, satyam, suci, titikya, arjavam, jnanam, vijnanam, astikam, brahma karma sabhava. These are the first class. There is nothing mentioned that an electrician or a motor mechanics and so you are misled. Therefore you are facing this crisis. The crimes and why and what to do. So unless you take to Krishna consciousness, how to create first-class man, you are doomed. You must know this. Thank you very much.